Google's upcoming Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro could come with 7 years of software support, according to a leaked list of specs published by 91 Mobile's Kamila Wojciechowska. The original source of the leak has also published US pricing for the two unannounced phones ahead of their October 4th launch. The Pixel 8 Pro is reportedly due to start at $899, the same as the 7 Pro, while the Pixel 8 could start at $699, a $100 increase over the $599 starting price for the Pixel 7. Wojciechowska notes that it's unclear whether Google will offer 7 years of major Android OS updates for the phones, or whether the figure just refers to 7 years of security patches. But either way, it's a decent improvement over last year's Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, which Google has said it'll support with 5 years of security patches, including 3 years of major Android updates. 7 years of support is better than the 5 years that both Samsung promises for its latest Galaxy S23 phones and OnePlus promises for this year's OnePlus 11. It would even approach the length of support offered by Fairphone, the sustainable smartphone manufacturer which makes a big deal out of the longevity of its phones. Fairphone says it plans to support its latest Fairphone 5 with 8 years of security patches, though it's pushing for 10 years of support as a stretch goal. The Google Pixel 8 Pro may offer something called a Super Actua display to make its screen easier to read when viewed in direct sunlight, while the Pro model is apparently in line for the Super Actua display. The standard Pixel 8 has an Actua panel instead. This is rated as having 1400 nits HDR brightness and 2000 nits peak brightness, while the Pixel 8 Pro's Super version is rated for 1600 nits HDR brightness and 2400 nits peak brightness. The spec sheet also tells us these displays will be protected with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the current toughest glass used on Android smartphones. One unfortunate bit of bad news from the same display specs is that there could be a lower res display on the Pixel 8 Pro compared to the Pixel 7 Pro. Hopefully this won't detract from the display's overall quality though. Are you excited guys for Pixel phones? Tell us in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button for more content like this. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.